Wow, yeah, definitely one of my huge accomplishments during my raw foods journey thus far, and that is rolling a nori roll. Here's how I did it. First, I started off with vegetables from my tower garden. You saw the greens there, the kale, the curly kale, and also the spring lettuce, all coming from the tower garden. And then I went with a blend of colorful vegetables to add to a nori sheet. First, I started off with the sprouts, laying on some julienne cut cucumbers as well as the bell peppers, throwing on some carrots. What I really enjoyed about this recipe was stretching outside of my comfort zone and also enjoying the seaweed taste. So if you think this is something that you would like, you want to try out, definitely let me know in the comments below. I had a lot of fun doing this and the taste was amazing. I made sure to pair this with some teriyaki sauce and I'm gonna show that next.